In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Webflow templates. By the end, you'll know how to quickly locate a recurring style in your template and set yourself up to change it consistently across pages, including combo classes, without hunting through every element. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer. Load the template you want to customize so you can see the canvas and the style panel. A handy first move is to click into the class or selector search area and type the word highlight. Many templates use a class like highlight for accent text, callouts, or buttons. Typing it in lets you see whether that class exists and where it appears. If you spot matches, note them. This gives you a fast snapshot of how the template applies emphasis styles. To streamline changes across your template, we'll use a dedicated tool from the Webflow Apps Marketplace. In the designer, open the Apps panel or visit the Apps site. Then look for the listing called Find and Replace Styles on a page in Webflow, including combo classes. Click that option to continue. If you're seeing a compact preview, choose Open Full Listing so you can review everything in one place. Before installing, take a moment to check the Description tab. It explains how the app identifies and replaces styles and clarifies support for combo classes, which is crucial when templates layer classes for variations like color or spacing. Next, switch to the Permissions tab. This outlines exactly what the app can access in your project. Reviewing permissions is a good habit, especially when you're working on client sites or production projects. When you're ready, click Install on Site. You'll be prompted again to confirm, so click Install on Site a second time to authorize the app and connect it to the specific project you have open. After installation, the app becomes available from your Apps panel inside the designer. Open the app and click into its Find field. Type Highlight to target that class you scoped earlier. Then click on Highlight in the results to select it and preview everywhere it's used throughout your pages and components. This is where you can validate the scope of your upcoming changes. If the list looks larger than expected, consider duplicating your project first, or working on a branch so you can test safely. Once you're confident, you can proceed within the app to unify the styling choices across elements and combo classes. Publish to your staging domain to review the updates in context, and you're done. Your template now reflects a consistent, customized look with far less manual work.